Today we will learn how to use the image button and the image view. It is very easy to use them, and we will need to use them a lot in our app. When we use image button, it is like any button in our app, but it has an image, so we will use it as this. When you want, as example, to make an image for a camera on a button, so you can use image button. It is here from image, and we will find it here. We will customize our image button and make it here, and we can make any changes from it like this. And any changes we want. As we are in a constraint layout, so we can control it from here also, and we can move it from here. Here our code was created for us. We didn't write any one of this, but we have source compat for the image, the source of the image. We will find our image in our drawable file here. So all image we put here, and we can use it from at drawable. Okay, and we add them as we add the image button here. We can add another image button for close or email, any image we want. Delete here, and we can customize every of them and use them in our app. We can make it smaller, so we can use it here, and so on. Here our image button have an ID. We must use this ID as we will use it in our Java if we want to add an event for this image button. So we must use image button ID. Every image button have an ID. This ID name, we will use it in our Java here. So we created a new one for image button 2 and the image button. We can use height and width for the image button. We use the source for the place where we find this image. We can get an image from Google and put them here in our drawable and use them as this a drawable / the name of the picture. Okay, we can also add background for the button to be a color, any color we want. We can change the color to anything else, and we will see it as here. So we have a background for the button. We can also add on click to make this button do an event. We can add a method to do something when we click in image button. So it is like any button else, but it has an image only. This is our image button, and we then take image view. Image view is image which we can put on our app. It is an image. When we want to add the image to our app, we can grab it from image view. Also, we can control the size of it, and we can move it as we like, as we do before. We want to add a method. If we have a method, we will create it in our Java file. Here we have image view. Is an image view. It has also an ID and has width, height, and the source of the picture where we find it at drawable. Also, it is from drawable, and we use it from add drawable / the name of the picture. We can also add scale type, and add many options like this. When we change, we will find more sense. As we find this, so we have a scale type to control our image view also.